Ever wondered how you could make money using Pinterest? Well, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the exciting world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting other people's products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Simple, right? Now imagine coupling this with the power of Pinterest, a platform that's all about discovery and inspiration. It's a visual feast that can be leveraged to showcase these products or services in a compelling way, reaching a large and engaged audience. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, Pinterest offers a unique and effective avenue for affiliate marketing. So, are you ready to turn those pins into profits? Stick around and we'll dive into the step-by-step process of Pinterest affiliate marketing. First, let's understand why Pinterest is such a potent platform for affiliate marketing. Pinterest is not just your typical social media platform, it's a visual search engine. This unique characteristic makes it a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Why? Because users on Pinterest are actively seeking inspiration, ideas, and products. Imagine having an audience that's not just scrolling mindlessly, but actually looking for something specific. That's the beauty of Pinterest. The platform has a massive, engaged user base that is ready to discover and save ideas. So when you share an affiliate link for a product or service, it's not just seen, it's sought after. Moreover, the visual nature of Pinterest makes it even more appealing. Users can see your product in action, which can be more convincing than just reading about it. This visual appeal can significantly boost clicks on your affiliate links, leading to more conversions. Plus, Pinterest's algorithm works to your advantage, circulating your pins to users who've shown interest in similar content. This means your affiliate links get in front of the right people, at the right time, increasing the chances of making a sale. Now that we know why Pinterest is perfect for affiliate marketing, let's explore how to get started. Getting started with Pinterest affiliate marketing involves a few key steps. Firstly, it all begins with finding the right product or service to promote. It's crucial to choose something that aligns with your interests and the interests of your potential Pinterest audience. This ensures that you're passionate about what you're promoting and that there is a demand for it among your followers. Just like any successful business, affiliate marketing thrives on the perfect balance of supply and demand. Once you've found a product or service that you believe in, the next step is to apply to become an affiliate. This typically involves filling out an application with the company that offers the product or service. They'll review your application, and if you're accepted, you'll become an official affiliate marketer for that company. It's a moment of accomplishment. But remember, the real work is just beginning. After becoming an affiliate, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This link is your golden ticket in the world of affiliate marketing. It's what you'll use to track the sales you generate through your promotional efforts. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's as simple as that. This is where the magic of Pinterest comes into play. With its visual appeal and vast user base, Pinterest is the ideal platform for showcasing the products or services you're promoting. Your unique affiliate link can be embedded in the pins you create, making it easy for your followers to click through and make purchases. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing on Pinterest is creating engaging, high-quality pins that draw people in and make them want to learn more about what you're promoting. With your product or service selected and your affiliate link in hand, you're ready to leverage Pinterest. With everything in place, it's time to leverage Pinterest to promote your affiliate product or service. Pinterest is more than a social media platform. It's a visual search engine that can be a powerful tool for affiliate marketing if used effectively. The key lies in creating pins that are not just visually appealing, but also strategically designed to attract your target audience. Start by focusing on creating high-quality pins. The quality of your pins can significantly impact how they perform on Pinterest. A high-quality pin is visually appealing, clear, and relevant to the content it represents. It should be able to grab the viewer's attention and make them want to learn more about the product or service you're promoting. But creating appealing pins is only half the battle. You also need to make sure they are discoverable. That's where keywords come in. Just like you would optimize a blog post or a website for search engine optimization, you need to optimize your pins for Pinterest SEO. Use relevant keywords in your pin's title, description, and even in the file name of the image you're using. This will help your pins show up in Pinterest's search results, making it easier for users to discover them. Another strategy is to leverage Pinterest's boards feature. Create boards that are related to your affiliate niche and fill them with your pins. This not only helps in organizing your content, but also increases the chances of your pins being discovered. Plus, users interested in your niche are likely to follow your boards, giving you a ready audience for your pins. You can also take advantage of Pinterest's Rich Pins feature. Rich pins provide more context about an idea because they show extra information directly on the pin itself. For affiliate marketers, product-rich pins can be especially beneficial as they include real-time pricing, availability, and where to buy your product. By following these strategies, you can reach a large audience quickly and easily on Pinterest. Learning from others' experiences can be a game changer in affiliate marketing. It's like having a mentor guiding you through the labyrinth of strategies, pitfalls, and triumphs. Let's dive into some compelling insights from successful affiliate marketers who have harnessed the power of Pinterest effectively. Consider the author of Affiliate Marketing for Dummies. They launched a blog in 2018 with the ambitious goal of making money through affiliate marketing. Initially, they struggled. It was a steep learning curve filled with trials and errors, but they persevered. And guess what? They eventually found success, with a whopping 85% of their blog income coming from affiliate marketing. What's their secret? Well, it's not some hidden knowledge or complex algorithm. It's about understanding the basics, focusing on a niche, and building a strong foundation with a website. They emphasize the importance of choosing a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise. Why? Because promoting products or services you genuinely believe in makes the journey more enjoyable and the selling more authentic. They also highlight the importance of a well-structured website. It's your digital storefront, your business card, your brand's home. It's where you'll direct your Pinterest followers to learn more about the products you're promoting. But remember, success didn't come overnight. It took time, patience, and a lot of learning. They started from scratch, just like you, and climbed their way to success one step at a time. They made mistakes, learned from them, and kept going. That's the spirit that fuels growth in affiliate marketing. These insights provide valuable lessons for anyone embarking on their Pinterest affiliate marketing journey. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to earning money using Pinterest affiliate marketing. We have journeyed together through the vast realm of Pinterest, exploring its potency as a visual search platform. We have seen how it can be a powerful tool for reaching a massive, engaged audience quickly and easily, potentially transforming your life by unlocking new streams of income. We've discussed the ins and outs of getting started with Pinterest affiliate marketing. We've learned that the first steps involve finding a product or service to promote, applying to become an affiliate, and receiving a unique affiliate link. It's a process that requires dedication and a keen eye for what your audience will love and find valuable. We've also delved into strategies for success. We've learned how to leverage Pinterest to promote these products or services using your affiliate link. We've discovered that Pinterest is more than just a platform for sharing ideas. It's a space where you can effectively market your affiliate products. And importantly, we've heard from those who have walked this path before us. We've gleaned insights from their experiences, understanding the importance of choosing a niche, building a website, and persisting even when success seems elusive. Their stories remind us that success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and perseverance, it is within reach. In conclusion, Pinterest affiliate marketing presents an exciting opportunity to earn money online. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's about sharing products and services that can benefit others, and in doing so, creating value for yourself and your audience. So, are you ready to embark on your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey? We hope this guide has offered you the knowledge and encouragement you need to get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Simplified E-Biz for more tips on making money online.